Welcome to our extensive range of industrial impact sockets. Action Corporation has over 30 years experience manufacturing impact sockets. They are made to DIN and to federal standards. Today I'd like to take the opportunity to give you a brief overview of our impact range available here in Australia. Here is our standard range of 6-point sockets. As you can see, they are the power drive configuration, which is standard throughout the standard 6-point range from quarter right through to 2.5 inch. Again, the power drive is standard on our long series. This starts from quarter right through to 1.5 inch drive, of course metric and imperial. 12-point sockets, which have become very popular. We start at 3/8 drive right through to 1.5 inch, standard, deep, metric and imperial. Inhex sockets start at quarter drive right through to 1.5 inch, again metric and imperial. Our impact accessory range, our reducing adapters, where height restrictions come into play. Here we have our standard range of impact adapters and accessories, starting from quarter drive right through to 2.5 inch drive, and available in all three styles of locking device: steel ball, pinhole and locking pin. We also have a range of sliding T-bars, breaker bars and L-bars, starting from 3/8 drive right through to inch drive. And over here we have some other configurations. We have double square, and this one here, developed for a special application, is a surface drive socket. For further information, please refer to our PDF. Thank you for listening and hope to hear from you soon.